Alright, welcome back guys to another video. So today we're going to be installing the Koyo race radiator, which is right here. So we have the small fan right here and the OEM one right there. The connection for this small fan doesn't work with my car, unfortunately, so I'm gonna have to cut this one off, put it on there, then we can install this. So let's start by installing this. Alright, so I mocked everything up and I tied it down. Apparently you need brackets for this thing. I didn't know that. So I just got some metal cable ties and just tied it through the fans, and then tied another one connecting the cable tie to the actual bolts down there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the car and see what happens. Alright, radiator is completely in. Got the intake on, got everything on except for the negative battery terminal. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up with some type 2 coolant that I got from my job. Then fill this up a little bit too, and I think I can start it at that point. Alright, so the wide band's out, but I'm gonna go ahead and start the car and start to bleed the brakes a little bit. Let's see if I did everything right. I'll take that as a yes. Alright, so now it's like about, let's say, a week from now since I've had the Koyo radiator in, and I love it. Honestly, this is the best thing I think I've ever had on my car. Keeps the car cool, I want to say like 95% of the time, and then the fan kicks on when I'm like sitting at a stop for like a really long time after I've driven the car for a while. But this thing does not get hot at all. When I had my half rad, basically, I would, after hard driving, the car would get kind of hot, and it would take so long for the fan to cool down the radiator after, you know, it's been running for a while. And this small fan that I have down here, basically it takes, I want to say, about 30 seconds to a minute to cool down the car completely. So it'll be, the temperature will be, I think, around 187 when the fan kicks on, and then like literally a minute later, it goes back down to like 180. It's crazy. So yeah, it's already installed. That's pretty much all I can say for right now on the street. But when it comes time to test the Koyo radiator on the track at New Jersey Motorsports Park, that's when you can really see it shine, because, well, this is a race radiator. Also, now that it's all aluminum, when you touch it, well, I learned it the hard way, but if you touch it, it's gonna burn your hand. So don't touch all aluminum radiators. Alright, so that's the review on the Koyo race radiator. Well, the street review, I should say. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about it. So when you guys are ready to check on how it does on the track, you can watch my video later on this month, because it'll be in about 2 weeks is when the video should drop. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.